Hello, I'm Henry Ford. Today I want to share with you the story of how I revolutionized the automobile industry. It all began in my early years. I was fascinated by machines and how they worked. This curiosity led me to tinker with watches, and eventually to engineering. My journey wasn't easy. In 1899, I founded the Detroit Automobile Company. Unfortunately, it wasn't successful, but I didn't give up. In 1908, I introduced the Model T. My vision was to build a car that was affordable, reliable, and efficient. And so I did something revolutionary. I implemented the moving assembly line in manufacturing. This not only reduced the assembly time per vehicle, but also made cars affordable to the average American. The Model T changed everything. It wasn't just a car. It was the vehicle that put the world on wheels. I also believed in valuing my employees. In 1914, I introduced the $5 workday, doubling the standard wage. This move not only improved lives, but also boosted productivity. My philosophy was simple. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. I chose to think I could. Thank you for joining me on this journey through time. Remember, innovation isn't just about technology. It's about thinking differently and having the courage to pursue your dreams.